Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your old usernames on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms that people use to connect and share photos and videos with the world. We all know the excitement of creating a new Instagram account, adding a creative username, and building your online profile around it. However, as time passes by, we change the username and forget what we used in the past. Fortunately, Instagram keeps a record for all former usernames you've used in the past, and you can follow this step by step. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on your activity. Now you can scroll down. On how you use Instagram, there's an option, account history. You can tap on that. Now you can change the update type. Tap on the update type over here. Choose username. Then you can apply. So here's your old username. I've never changed my username, but if you've changed your username couple times, it will appear here. And you can also check your former name by choose the name here. Click apply. You can see here's all my former name before. You can also use this page to check your account history on Instagram, including the posts you've liked, the comments you've posted, the links you visit, and much more. So that is how to see your old usernames on the Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!